How much 140-weight container motorcycle tube? Today we load the 140-weight container for our Middle East customer. For this container, we load 54,000 pieces of motorcycle tube. The total cost is only $40,000 US. It takes about 30 days from China port to customer port. We are the 20-year factory in producing high-quality motorcycle tire and motorcycle tube. We ensure the quality, we ensure good price, we ensure the fast delivery. The fast selling size 300 by 18. The section weight 85 millimeter and the weight is 480 grams. The tensile elongation 530%. Let me show you our quality. Hot, good. Very high quality motorcycle tube. I am Grant, the sales manager of our factory. If you are interested, please follow me and message me. I give you the best price.